Audrey, the social media manager here at SBBlooms.
And I'm Emily, the social media coordinator.
And today we are back to show you another how-to with SBBlooms. Last week you guys voted on this install, and it is a cake meadow. We've been seeing it all over Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, so we're going to show you how to recreate it today. It's actually very, very simple.
The only items you'll need today are 1 Audrey Garland, 4 Audrey Posies, and 5 Real Touch loose stem rose sprays.
And any tools?
1 zip tie to zip tie the garland together in the back of the table.
Yeah.
And if you wanted to add a cake cluster, you can do that as well.
Yep. Alright, so that's all the products and tools you'll need for this install. Now let's get into it. And there you have it, everyone, an easy cake meadow install featuring our Audrey collection. Of course, this can be recreated with any of our other 15+ on-trend collections that you can find on our website.
So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.